Galakshi Abhishek, Ayush Shagai. Hello. Excuse me. Yeah, Ayush Shagai.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ayush Shagai. What is the time I have given you?
7:30 only.
Okay. Now, shall we start?
Yes, sir. We can.
Oh, acha, acha. Oh, you are that guy who came initially, Varanasi guy, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, Varanasi Small Finance Bank. And your video is the very top most preferred video online. Did you see? More than 2,800 people have sourced. More than 2,000.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Luckily, sir, got that much views.
Yeah, so many people have seen. Good. Now let's come to the straight away to the interview. आपका बारे में
Yes, sir.
आप बताइए, अंग्रेजी में और हिंदी में बताइए, आपका बारे में बताइए.
Yes, sir. My name is Ayush Sahai. I have total 9 years of working experience. Presently, I am working in Uttar's Small Finance Bank. I have done JAIIB and also postgraduate diploma in banking.
So what is the role you are playing now? What are you in your small finance bank?
Yes, sir. Presently, I am working as a branch manager.
Acha, good. So what is the performance of your branch? Business position of your branch?
Sir, at present, the total business is of 34 crores, out of which deposit is of 21 crores and advances is of 13 crores.
Very good. So advances, which type of advances are more in your branch?
Sir, in my branch, advances mainly comprises of this term loan and overdraft against property.
Very good. Now, see, you have worked in, say, scheduled commercial bank also, no? Like some other private sector bank. Yes?
Yes, sir. In ICICI Bank, I worked for 3.5 years.
Yeah. So that is a scheduled commercial bank. Yeah. Now tell me, what is the difference in working in ICICI Bank and small finance bank? उसमें कुछ फर्क पड़ता है और the way you are treating customers, the way you are disbursing loans, उसमें कुछ फर्क पड़ता है?
Yes, sir, difference is there. Actually, the 75% focus is on priority sector lending in a small finance bank.
अच्छा.
And in my earlier banks like ICICI Bank, their total focus was on liability channel. And in Varanasi like location, they do not have that asset channel at that times, 8-9 years before.
I understand. Good. So now you said 75% you have to give for priority sector, but आपका loan against property and all उसका अंदर में आ जाता है या नहीं आता है?
Yes, sir. It is classified under priority sector. MSME loan.
Excellent. Very good. Now, can you tell me the definition of MSME?
Sir, as per the new definitions, for MSME stands for micro, small, and medium enterprises. The enterprises which are classified under micro categories, they have investment up to 1 crores and turnover up to 5 crores. For small enterprises, the investment is up to 10 crores and turnover is up to 50 crores. And for medium enterprises, the investment is 50 crores and turnover is 250 crores.
Good. Can you tell me what is DSCR?
So DSCR is debt service coverage ratio. It is mainly used in term loans.
Can you tell me what is current ratio?
Sir, current ratio is used for used to judge the repayment capacity for the short-term loans. It is current asset upon current liability.
Which is the ideal score for current ratio?
So normally we take 1.33 as an ideal score.
Very good. Are you considering housing loans for, say, small, medium income, other people and all?
Housing loans, sir, we do.
Acha.
In location.
Very good. उसमें what are the important points that a banker should look into before giving housing loan?
Sir, the major important point is the first point what we look into is the profile of the customers. Uh, if he is salaried or he is a business class, what his ITR is going. The second important point what we look is the hygiene of the customer. We used to check his CIBIL report, Experian Hunter verification. Uh, we used to check if the customer is defaulter or not. Also, we used to check the internal reject database of our bank, dedupe check, to find out whether there is any default or not with the customer. And finally, the financial perspective of the customer is checked. That is mainly we used to check FOIR, fixed obligation income ratio, that what all obligations customer is having and what he is so that so that the installment he will be able to pay or not.
Good.
Mainly
That's
three
right.
things.
No, that's okay. Fine. No, my mind was thinking about say how much up to how much amount housing loan is covered under priority sector.
Sir,
In case of
for
urban areas, it is 35 lakhs. In case
for
of
urban,
rural semi-urban, 25 lakhs.
yes sir, yes,
ये
correct, sir.
पूरा पढ़ना है जी. प्रायोरिटी
एकदम
सेक्टर का बारे में बिल्कुल पूरा जानना जरूरी है, because they will ask you up to how much amount is priority sector in the case of infrastructure. Some huge amount, some 5 crores or 50 crores, पता नहीं क्या है. ये सब अब details जरूर बताना है क्यों?
yes,
You
for
are coming
social
under, yeah.
yes sir, for social infrastructure it is 5 crores, and for social infrastructure which comes under health, if health infrastructure we are building, it is 10 crores.
See, वो पूरा जान लीजिए, पक्का आंसर करना है. Education loan up to how much is guaranteed as priority sector?
Up to 10 lakh, up to 10 lakhs. That I will be rechecking now.
Now 20. Now
20
20
lakhs.
lakhs. Now 20 lakhs that it is included as a priority sector. समझ गया?
Yes sir, yes sir. Yes.
No. Whether you like it or not, because you are from small finance branch, पूरा priority sector advance को pick up करके इधर में रख लीजिए मन में.
Yes sir.
और एक बार रिवाइज कर लीजिए, अच्छा होगा. Now some more questions they asked in the interview. Why legal opinion is taken from in respect of house properties? From whom legal opinion is taken? What are the formalities you observe in this regard? Hello?
Yes sir. So legal opinion is taken from the advocate. For 50 lakhs and above property, we used to take 2 legal opinions.
Advocate खाली बोलने से नहीं होगा. Approved, banks approved lawyer.
Yes sir, yes.
That is very important. Banks approved lawyer. And you should also mention about how many years do you take encumbrance certificate? 15 years, 13 years, 30 years. What is that?
That I am not knowing, sir.
थोड़ा देख लीजिए ना. कोई बैंक में कोई number of years होता है. मेरा बैंक में तो we were taking for last 13 years or so. But some banks, I think like ICICI and all, they are taking for 30 years. आपका बैंक का procedure क्या है वो जान लीजिए.
ठीक sir.
In that place, how, and they can also ask you, how are you getting encumbrance certificate? Do you apply yourself or your lawyer applies and gives you? ये सब पूछेगा, इसका बारे में prepare हो जाइए. Because they are concentrating on legal opinion question. And the next question they are asking is, what is Mpbf method?
Yes sir. Under Mpbf method, Tandon committee is used, and there are mainly 2 methods. Method 1 and method 2 is there.
What are they?
Yes sir. In method 1, sir, we used to calculate working capital gap, and then The final Mpbf is calculated as working capital gap minus 25% of working capital gap. That is 25% of working capital gap is treated as a margin. So then we used to arrive on the final score or a final Mpbf. And in Tandon Committee 2 method, it is again working capital gap minus 25% of the current asset.
Good.
And that
Acha,
25% of current
yeah.
asset is treated.
Mpbf formula, total current assets minus current liabilities minus 25 divided by 100. Yeah. Or Mpbf is equal to 75 by 100 into working capital gap. What is NIACL committee method?
So NIACL committee method is the turnover method where working capital is calculated by current asset minus current liability.
The working capital requirement of Msme unit is no, what you told is wrong, na? Wrong. NIACL committee method. These methods were originally suggested by PJ NIACL committee for small scale industries. According to this method, the working capital requirement of Msme unit is calculated at 25% of annual projected turnover. Why did you commit a mistake?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I missed that.
20, yeah, 25%. ये थोड़ा देख लीजिए. अच्छा, I suggest you go to google.com and search Mpbf method. You will get lot of questions like this. ये सबका answer prepare कर दीजिए. Here the question coming is, what are 6 C's of lending? What are 6 C's starting with the letter C? What are the 6?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Capacity. There are capacity, character, collateral, condition, cash flow, capital.
Credit score. Good.
Credit.
Character, capacity, capital, collateral, conditions, and credit score. समझ गया?
Credit score. Yes, sir.
ये पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. And you must remember, they are very keen on what is that CIBIL report and all. उसमें नया report कुछ आया, ट्रांस यूनियन, CIBIL ट्रांस यूनियन बोल के कुछ आया. इसका बारे में I have posted in many videos. Please go to Google, search CIBIL ट्रांस यूनियन. आजकल नया मेथड आ गया जहां they are asking what you have not seen these questions. What is CIBIL 0, CIBIL 1? ये सब देखा नहीं देखा? नहीं.
ये देख लिया सर. CIBIL 0 and CIBIL 1.
You know that.
Customers with no history,
you
no
know,
track record.
So you know that, very good. If you know, it is okay. Because आपका फेस देखने से हमको डरता है, मना आपको पूरा नहीं जानते हैं. आप जानते हैं?
हाँ सर, -1 और 0 ये जानते हैं सर. -1 0 आपका जो कस्टमर का नो हिस्ट्री रहता है, रिकॉर्ड नहीं रहता है सर.
You know that, very good, very good. If you know, I am happy. If you don't know, only I am worried. Very good. Then what are the digital banking products of your bank? Your bank. But their question they have asked in that boy, perhaps he was from Axis Bank, so they asked. आपको भी digital products कुछ ज्यादा होता है नहीं होता है?
Yes sir, है सर. नेट बैंकिंग, मोबाइल बैंकिंग है, UPI है, we have QR codes.
Very good, very good. Similarly, you must know the digital products of our Bank of Maharashtra also. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
बहुत कुछ है जी. 8 or 9 products are there. ये सबको prepare कर दीजिए, because these are the questions they have asked one candidate. Next yes, is very interesting question. Why digital banking is the need of the hour and is it safe? Good question.
Yes sir.
Crisp answer दे दीजिए. What is the need of digital banking now?
Sir, it saves time and also costing.
Very good. Then?
And it is very user friendly, as now most of us are using this smartphones. So
Mm.
banking on tips is there.
And it is available 24/7.
Yes, sir. Available 24/7.
Good. अच्छा, आपका small finance bank में ये transferring of money into fixed deposit and all, can it be done all through 24 hours or through business hours, some specified hours? Because
24 hours, sir.
मेरा Indian bank में it is only from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
The online banking we can do anytime, sir.
नहीं,
Net from
नहीं.
mobile bank.
No.
Done.
You can remit money anytime, but transferring money into fixed deposit and all, in Indian bank, it is done only for 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. That's what
That
my experience is. आप भी देख लीजिए अब कैसे चलता है. Now, or this is the methodology. Yeah, this is the thing. You can't get a fixed deposit done. I am having in mind my Indviasis बोल के एक मोबाइल ऐप है, उसका बारे में हम बता रहा हूँ. आप इसका बारे में सीख लीजिए.
जी sir, ठीक sir.
This is a good question. So you must be thorough with that. Now, what is micro ATM?
Sir, micro ATM is provided to the BC agents uh, uh, so that they can use it in the rural areas, served to the unserved and underserved people uh, for the purpose of cash withdrawal, statement generation using Aadhaar enabled payment systems.
Good.
So Aadhaar enabled payment system is enabled in micro ATMs.
How many bank correspondents are there in your office? Are there people or not?
No, sir. In my branch, there is no one.
Achha.
Relating.
Why have you not appointed? There is no need, because yours is a city. Maybe it is a city and
Certain branches are have.
yeah.
Yes, sir. It is centrally mapped, and our branch is not identified for that. Some branches are.
Good. That's a good answer. Good answer. Who is the chairman of your small finance bank?
Shri Govind Singh, sir.
Who is the chairman of our Bank of Maharashtra?
Shri A.S. Rajiv.
Very good. Who is the finance minister of your Uttar Pradesh?
Finance Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Shurikant Sahi.
Very good. Who is the finance minister of our country?
Shrimati Nirmala Sitaraman.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. God bless you. Which date is your interview?
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow. Achha. Oh, tomorrow. अच्छा,
Yes, sir. That's why I wanted to talk to you today.
थोड़ा ये सब प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए ना, जो हमने बताया.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
थोड़ा ये सब एरिया में योर थोड़ा रिवाइज करने से बढ़िया होगा.
हाँ सर, रिवाइज करना जरूरी है. अभी जा रहा हूँ मैं रिवाइज करने ये वाली चीजें.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. You have done well. Let us hope for the best.
Tomorrow evening, sir, I will talk to you regarding how it went, sir.
Yeah, please send it. And if you are not able to get my line, आप questions को word document में prepare करके you please put it in our group or in my WhatsApp so that it can be shared as I am sharing with others. समझ गए? Good.
Sure, sir. Sure.
बट थोड़ा हैप्पी से जाना है. पहले भी हम बोला होगा, आपका फेस में उतना हैप्पी देखता नहीं है. हैप्पी होना है और ड्रेसिंग वगैरह बिल्कुल बढ़िया करके जाना है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because every time I'm seeing you only in t-shirt like myself. अब तो
In
ऐसा.
evening.
I know. It's evening time. I know that. Best wishes. God bless you.
Yes.
And another question.
Okay.
Are you willing to be
Thank you, sir.
relocated? Are you willing to be relocated anywhere?
Anywhere, sir. I am open to relocate.
Good. Selected. God bless you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.